Okay, here is our room at Margaritaville Orlando Resort. We are in room 216, and we have bands. They gave them to us on check-in in order to get into the room. Yeah, pull instead of push. Hi. Welcome home. Too close up, too close up. Okay, here is the room, the main lights. Oh, it looks like they have like a, ooh, do not disturb. Oh, that's cool. So you can press the button, do not disturb. Ooh, do not, housekeeping. Oh, stop that. Here's the safe, ironing board. And all this is the closet. I'll close it up so you can see. We put our stuff in there all ready to kind of get out of the way. So that is it closed. The other side, this is a pretty big closet. They have room for your luggage, and then a bar for hanging your clothes, and then another shelf over top of that. They have a full-length mirror, and then the bathroom actually has a sliding door as well, sliding pocket door. I think that is so cool. And this is the inside of the bathroom. Very big bathroom. Towels, trash can, more area, extra toilet paper. The sinks, of course, you've all seen the whale tail, which is so cute. I even like the water. I don't know, I have a thing for sinks, so this is a very nice sink. Of course, hand towels, washcloths, another area to store your stuff, outlet, another outlet, mirror. Oops, sorry. On the back side. Try not to break the mirror. Pocket door for the water closet. Typical water closet. Very nice. I do like the water closets. Kind of somebody else is able to use that while the rest of the bathroom is open. And then you have the shower. Of course, they give you the towel to put down from the shower. Hook. And a hook here outside. Towels. It is huge. Here are the amenities. Conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, soap. It looks like it's all from Saint somewhere. Yep, the spa here. And then, of course, the shower. Let me see if this is removable. Yep. Removable head shower. And then we'll move out into the rest. That is actually a door to adjoining room, which we have blocked. And here is the bed with my wonderful husband. Hi, hubby. Hi on it. More switches for the lights. I like the paintings in here as well. Very gorgeous. We got 2 queen beds. And I always like it when they have like the benches out so that you have somewhere to sit other than the bed. Here is the desk. It's a pretty nice sized desk and chair. With drawers. for even more storage. And there's also this area here where you can store things as well. Temperature control, widescreen TV, more beautiful artwork. Trash can, and then you have the coffee set up. They have English breakfast tea, black tea, decaf breakfast blend, another breakfast blend, another breakfast blend, breakfast blend, decaf green. What is up with all this decaf? That's a no. We need leaded. Delight, International Delights, original. I don't think it's flavored though. The stir sticks, sugar, and cups. Cups are cute. I like this right here. I don't know if you call it artwork, but that's very nice. I like that. And then drawer below where the refrigerator is. And there's the refrigerator. I've heard people talk about, oh yeah, there is complimentary water. I think I missed that. Let me go back over to the desk. Oh, and they did give me this weekly activities planner and daily activity guide, daily plannings. Let me see. Ice bucket, cups, and complimentary water. Let's go over here. Here is the console in between the beds. They actually have a pad that gives you information on the hotel. They actually have USB chargers and an outlet behind the lamp. Tissues. And I want to say that's it for the room. Of course, I brought my nightlight USB charger, so I'll have extra. And let me take you out to the balcony. And every room on the resort has a balcony. It's a little overcast because of Islam. I think it's Tropical Storm Islam. So here are the chairs, 2 chairs, and a table in the middle. And those were our complimentary rum and punch when we came. You would think it would be margaritas though, since it's Margaritaville. That's what my husband thought of. I didn't even think about it. So that is our room at Margaritaville Orlando Resort.